Here's a game changer for Pixel users. Google is bringing a feature to older Pixel models that you'd typically expect only on the latest devices. But here's where it gets controversial. This time, Google is taking a page from Apple's playbook. The new Take a Message feature, which debuted on the Pixel 10, is essentially Google's version of Apple's live voicemail. So what does it do? When you miss or decline a call, the voicemail message is transcribed in real time right on your screen. And this is the part most people miss. If you spot something urgent in the transcript, you can jump back into the call instantly. It's like having a live feed of your voicemail, giving you the power to decide on the spot whether to engage. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Google borrowing from Apple. It's a bit of a role reversal, isn't it? After all, Apple has been the one borrowing from Google lately, like with the upcoming Hold Assist in iOS 26, which is eerily similar to Google's Hold for Me feature on the Pixel 6 series. In Hold for Me, Google's Duplex AI monitors your call while you're on hold and alerts you when the other party returns, so you're not stuck waiting. Apple's Hold Assist does the exact same thing, but for iPhones. Is this a case of innovation or imitation? Let's discuss in the comments. Back to Take a Message. Here's the kicker. It's not just for Pixel 10 owners. Google is rolling it out to Pixel 4 and later models, which is a nice surprise for those with older devices. To enable it, open the phone app, tap the three-line menu icon in the search bar, go to Settings, and toggle on Take a Message. It's that simple. Even if you decline a call, you can still jump in if the transcript catches your attention. When you miss or decline a call, the caller hears a standard voicemail prompt, and you get the transcript in your call history with a play button to listen to the recording. But here's a common misconception. Take a Message is not the same as Call Screen. While both features involve call management, they serve different purposes. Call Screen helps you decide whether to take a call, while Take a Message is for those who want to skip the call but still get the message. It's a subtle but important difference. Before we wrap up, here's something exciting for tech enthusiasts. Our passion project, Iconic Phones, Revolution at Your Fingertips, is launching this fall. This coffee table book is a must-have for anyone who's fascinated by the evolution of smartphones. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about phones. It's about the revolution they sparked. Follow the link to learn more and snag an early bird discount. Lastly, if you're in the market for a new phone, Total Wireless is offering a free iPhone 13 with a 3-month Total 5G Unlimited plan. Is this a deal worth jumping on? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out the offer for more details. Alan, our resident smartphone guru and Phone Arena veteran since 2009, has seen it all, from the original iPhone to the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max. His insights into the transformative years of mobile tech make him the perfect guide for this journey. Whether it's smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, or smart speakers, Alan's got you covered. But here's the question. With features like Take a Message, blurring the lines between innovation and imitation, where do we draw the line? Share your thoughts below.